Struggling to optimize your Google Ads campaigns for your Magento store? Google Ads conversion tracking for Magento 2 helps track valuable actions taken by visitors who click on your ads, giving you insights to boost sales and improve your campaigns. Google Ads conversion tracking measures the effectiveness of your ad campaigns by tracking specific actions taken after an ad click. Whether it's a purchase, a sign-up, or a form submission, every action is recorded as a conversion. Let's dive into the features of Google Ads conversion tracking. One powerful tool is cross-device conversion tracking. This allows you to monitor conversions across multiple devices, ensuring the original ad click receives proper credit. Additionally, flexible conversion windows let you specify the time frame in which a conversion is attributed to an ad click. This is essential for businesses with longer sales cycles. Google Ads also offers various attribution models, such as last click, first click, and linear, which enable you to pinpoint which ads are truly driving conversions. Lastly, by assigning monetary values to conversions, you can accurately measure the return on investment for your ad spend. Let's talk about the benefits of using Magento 2 Google Ads. Conversion tracking. Accurate ROI measurement allows you to track the conversion value of each sale for precise ROI calculations. Improved campaign optimization helps refine your ads, keywords, and bidding strategies based on conversion data. Enhanced audience targeting leverages conversion insights to create more targeted audience segments. Cross-device tracking provides a complete picture of the customer journey by monitoring conversions across multiple devices. Performance benchmarking compares conversion rates and values across different campaigns to identify top performers. Lastly, here are some of the best practices for Magento 2 Google Ads conversion tracking. Dynamic remarketing shows personalized ads to users who have previously interacted with your store, re-engaging potential customers. Smart shopping campaigns use machine learning to optimize ad placement and bidding across Google's networks, showing your products to the most relevant audiences. Automated bidding strategies like Target ROAS and Target CPA adjust bids automatically to meet your targets, driving conversions while controlling costs. Segmenting your conversion data allows for more granular analysis and optimization of your campaigns, informing A/B tests and creating specific audience lists based on high-performing segments. We hope you found our guide on Magento 2 Google Ads conversion tracking helpful. Like this video, share and subscribe for more professional insights.